Well, it's Saturday the 19th of July. The studio rebuild continues. How you doing? Bondi with you. Here's the Porticom. It's the Saturday, so just finished my radio show. I haven't actually seen the studio yet, but I've been told it's very, very exciting. So let's go up and have a look, eh? A little bit of drizzle right now. Some more cabling done. Quite exciting, really. Pulling a lot of things out. Wow. I'm just trying. Should have probably pre-planned this. Turn the light on first. The light hasn't actually been done up. All of that. I've got my own spotlight. How's that? Very cool. Probably not the best time to be filming, but that's all good. New studio. Monitor up there for security. Plasma. I don't know why, but we need one. Fantastic stuff. This is what the studio looks like right now.